Welcome to this guide on installing the Arnott Air Suspension Compressor for the Cadillac XTS Epsilon II. Proper installation is crucial for optimal performance, so let's walk through the steps to ensure a successful setup. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Let's start the air suspension compressor removal. Raise the vehicle and remove the left side rear wheel. Loosen and remove the fasteners holding the inner fender well and the rear lower plastic shield to expose the vehicle's air suspension compressor. Then, disconnect the electrical connection and unroot the exhaust hose from the frame for removal. Now, disconnect the air fittings and lines from both the rear air springs. Unclip and unroute the air lines from the frame for removal. Remove the 3 compressor mounting bolts. Now you can remove the compressor from the vehicle as well as the mount bolts. Make sure to tighten all nuts and bolts to the manufacturer's specifications during the installation process. Do not remove the air fitting from the air suspension compressor. Doing so may cause damage or void the warranty. Remove the white shipping pin from the new air fitting and insert the air line until fully seated. Now, install the new compressor into the vehicle. Install the compressor by sliding the attached mounting bolts of the compressor into the holes located on the frame. Secure and tighten the bolts. Tighten the remaining compressor mount bolt. Then use the 2 air fittings supplied in the accessory kit and install them into both air springs. Snug tight fittings with a wrench. Reroute the air lines to the springs, clipping the air line to the frame where applicable. Also, reroute the exhaust hose and clip it to the frame where applicable. Now pull the shipping pins from the air spring fittings and push in the new compressor air lines until the lines are fully seated. Reconnect the compressor's electrical connection. Then reinstall the wheel well liners, fasteners, and the wheel. Lower the vehicle to complete the installation. Thank you for following our guide on installing an Arnott Air Suspension Compressor. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.